It's still kind of cool looking though. It's kind of a dwarf rig. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a 550 or something, F550. Exit, F650 maybe. See if I can catch them. I'm working purely on gravity right now, 76 miles an hour. You know, it's funny, like, I see some of these guys out here, and so this is kind of in the same fashion as, like, you see, or you used to see with these guys who had, like these super just beat up bucket of bolt cars running around town with, like, with, like, $40, spinner hubcaps, you know, from Kragen's or something like that, rolling, right? These little cheap ass spinners, plastic spinners, you know, and like, you know, little chrome details here and there, and then the car just runs like shit, though, right? It's just a bucket of bolts that somebody went and put like a bow on a pig, you know. Well, these guys do the same thing with these trucks, so. You know, we've all seen the badass super trucker, Peterbilt's, KWs, whatnot, that all lit up and chrome everywhere, and they're hot, right? And the thing is, you know, they do that secondary to how the truck runs. I mean, the trucks are badass, you know, internally, you know, and then their infrastructure, if you will, and then, you know, and then they, make them look nice, right? But so then you got the other class, which I'm in, right? Which is these fleet trucks, and they're just bottom of the line, you know. I mean, they're powerful, you know, no doubt about it, you know. But you know, they're just fleet trucks, basic, you know, just made to do the job. And you see these guys start putting chrome and like, one thing that's really funny is the spiked lug nut caps, you know, and you know, honestly, they do look cool, but you know, it just is kind of like the same kind of thing. Like, you put these cheap ass little shiny plastic pieces all over this bucket of bolts. You know, and then they're out there like putting along, barely making it up a hill. You know, like, what I'm getting at is, invest some money in how the truck performs first, maybe. You know, get the thing, you know, like, fix the leaks. You know, or you know, whatever. Yeah, I think you can understand what I'm saying. You know, put some speed plugs in it. You know, increase the rate of your governor. You know, because when you're out there and you're governed 64 miles an hour, you know, running along the highway with spiked lug nut covers and chrome brow on the thing, you know, and like purple lights, like that are like double taped onto the back of the thing or whatever. It's not as cool anymore. I don't know. It's funny. It's funny. Guys just want to look cool. Everybody just wants to look cool. Doesn't really care too much what's on the inside. Have you ever noticed that? I mean, people do that too, right? You know, wear all this flashy stuff, but really they're just kind of shitty internally. They never worked on what's inside, so, you know, and that's why they would go buy the flashy things, because what's on the inside sucks. So they gotta try and make it look pretty on the outside, I guess. I don't know. Is that mean? I don't know. I'm just trying to, you know, that's just my opinion, my perspective on it, you know. Whether it be true or not, I don't know, but that's my perspective on it. Yep, old philosophical Kel. Yeah. was seeing some more of those wind turbine blades as I was coming down, excuse me, from Vegas into Kingman. I was seeing some more of those, yeah, wind turbine blades, whatever it was, yeah, 93. Oh wow, there's a truck wreck. Oh, that's too bad. Man, that guy rolled it too. Yep. I don't know if you saw that, but that truck has just been picked up off its side. Well, hope the driver's okay. Looks like it could have been worse. So yeah, I saw a bunch of them wind turbine blades. Oh, come on, find your gear, Kel. Oh, I know. I had the freaking engine brake on again. So, yeah, I saw them heading up 93 or whatever it was. They got a big valley up there, or some mountains or whatever, where they got a bunch of them turbines set up. So, seen a whole bunch of them coming up that way with, you know, police escorts and all that. Speaking of police escorts, hello, trooper. So yeah, that was interesting. I saw probably at least 3 of them, maybe 4 of them. That guy's got a big old truckload of onions or something. Huh. That's funny. Usually you see those things loaded in the back of bucket truck haulers or bucket trailers, whatever they're called. You got a bag falling out the back too, it looks like. You got a loose bag of onions there, pal. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up. I don't have nothing that great to say, so it's all just about the scenery, I guess. So I'll see you later. And welcome to Flagstaff. AZ. Elevation 7,022 feet. And I gotta watch my speed here. We have dropped down to 65, and there is a lot of troopers out. A whole lot. Past probably the, oh, I don't know, 5th or 6th truck that I've seen pulled over since I departed, oh, well, actually, I guess now that I think about it, since I departed Bakersfield. So, just like the boss said, it is a safety blitz going on. They are after the CMBs. Guess they got to do it every once in a while, so it is what it is. We'll just do our best to try and avoid the blitz. To try and what do they say in football about blitzes? To try and oh shit, I don't know what's a football term to block the sack, so to speak. Speaking of sacks, mine could use a better seat, I'll tell you that. Sorry. Maybe that's a little, that's TMI. Yeah, that's probably TMI. I'll just leave it at that, and I'll wrap this up.